Stop scrolling, I have a question for you. Are you in the bus, on the bus, or at the bus? If you're not 100% sure, this video is going to fix that. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden structure, the architecture behind English prepositions. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Let's build your English. Here's the golden rule, write this down. In means big. On means surface. At means point. It's zoom logic, imagine a camera. When you zoom out you see something big, that's in. When you zoom closer you see a surface, that's on. When you zoom all the way in you hit a point, that's at. I live in Canada. I live on Main Street. I live at 25 Main Street. Prepositions of place are not random, they follow geometry. Look at this triangle. At the top, we have in the middle on, at the bottom. Notice something, the triangle gets smaller as we go down, that means the location becomes more specific. Let's start at the top, we use in for big areas or enclosed spaces. Look at the examples, in France, in London, in the kitchen, in a box. What do all these have in common? They are spaces that surround you. If you are in France, you are inside the country. If you are in the kitchen, you are inside the room. Now we move down, the triangle gets smaller. We use on for surfaces. Look at the examples, on Fifth Avenue, on the first floor, on the wall. What's the common idea? A surface. When something touches a flat surface, we use on. The book is on the table. The picture is on the wall. You live on a street, you are not inside the street, you are connected to its surface. So remember, on equals surface. English is not always logical, but most of the time, it follows this pattern. For detailed study of prepositions and similar videos, please buy our course on preposition. Go to our app or website, link in the description. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.